In this video, I will show you how to enter publications in SERVAL with a DOI or PubMed ID. First of all, you should log in to my UNIL by going to my.unil.ch and clicking on Member of UNIL. You will then fill in your login details here and click in Connect. Once you're inside, you will access SERVAL by clicking the SERVAL link on the upper right corner. Once you're logged in, you will see the list of your publications. You're in this menu here. The first step you need to do when you want to enter a new publication with a DOI or a PubMed ID is to check whether the publication is already in SERVAL or not. In order to do that, you just click here and you go to Free Search, and you can type in the DOI, for example, to check whether it's already inside or not. You can see that it's already founded, so it was in SERVAL, but it was not linked to myself. That's why I didn't see it in my publications. So what you want to do now is not to enter the publication again, because otherwise there will be two publications. So you just will click on the details of the publication you want to link yourself to and click on the I am an author button. So I'm going to click that, and it will say that I'm going to link myself. You have the details of the publication here if you want to check it again, and I will save. So now if I go, remember the title of the publication, if I go to my publications, here it is. It's already linked to myself. You can see it here. So that's an easy way to link yourself to a publication that already exists in SERVAL. If you looked for your publication but you didn't find it, then you can go and click on the plus sign, click on Enter a Publication. And now since you have a DOI or a PubMed ID, then you will use this automatic entering. You enter your DOI or PubMed ID and you click on Automatic Entry. After processing, you will see that everything in the metadata has been automatically completed. You have to, of course, in any case, double check to see if the metadata is correct and complete the other things which are not imported from your DOI. For instance, that the article is peer-reviewed, the language of the article, and do not forget to enter your abstract and some keywords as well. Now, these two fields are very important for your publication to rank properly in Google and Google Scholar. So if you want a publication to show up in Google Scholar and people would find it, then remember to fill in these two fields. Once you're done here, you can go back up and click on Continue. Now this is where you will upload your full text. But in order to know which version of your article you're allowed to share, you can click simply on this very important link that will take you directly to Sherpa Romeo. That way you don't have to go and look for your specific article. So in this case, it says that the final PDF cannot be archived, which is not that surprising, but the postprint can be archived if mandated by the funding agency or employer institution after 12 months. So basically what it's telling you is that you can archive your postprint, which is your author version after peer review but before type editing by the editor, and you can do it with a 12-month embargo. So that's what we're going to set. Then I will click this and I will add my PDF. Once you add the file, you choose which version it is. In this case, it's going to be an author-accepted manuscript or postprint, because it's what we saw in Sherpa Romeo that we can do. And we will click on Continue. Next, it will be setting the links. So in this case, it hasn't found any automatic link, so we will do it manually. I will add myself to this publication, and I will also add my unit. I can continue. And finally, we're in the visibility stage where we're going to push to validation. And in this step, we can set the embargo for the full text. So we will say the same embargo for all documents, because we only have one document, starting when? Ideally on the publication date, or you can do it now and then calculate how many more months you need for the embargo. Let's say it's from today, and then we had a 12-month embargo. let's say 10 months are already gone, so I will say 2 more months of embargo for people outside of UNIL, and I always leave 0 for people inside of UNIL, so we're not putting any embargo for people who are logged in and members of UNIL. Once you've done that, you click on Save All, and your publication has been saved and pushed to validation, and it is already showing in your publication section. It is down here.